Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The all-new 2026 Ferrari F80. This car isn't just a supercar, it's a revolution in design, engineering, and performance. Ferrari has taken everything it has learned from the LaFerrari and SF90 Stradale and pushed the boundaries of what's possible. The F80 represents Ferrari's future, where extreme performance meets cutting-edge hybrid technology, all wrapped in an absolutely stunning design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari F80 looks like it was designed by the wind itself. Every curve, every vent, and every surface has been sculpted to perfection. The design is heavily inspired by Formula One aerodynamics, with aggressive lines and futuristic proportions. The front end is low and sharp, featuring thin, laser headlights and a large, central air intake that channels air efficiently to improve cooling and downforce. The body is crafted almost entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, giving it that race car-like rigidity while keeping the weight to a minimum. The F80 has a longer and wider stance than the LaFerrari, giving it a more planted look on the road. The active aerodynamic system automatically adjusts to driving conditions. The front splitter, side flaps, and massive rear wing all move dynamically to balance drag and downforce. The side profile is pure art, with deep air channels feeding the mid-mounted engine and sculpted bodywork that looks alive even when standing still. At the rear, Ferrari has gone for a completely new design philosophy. The exhausts are mounted high, integrated beautifully into the body, and the full-width LED taillight gives the F80 a signature futuristic look. The diffuser is massive, ensuring that this car sticks to the road even at extreme speeds. Now moving to the interior, the cockpit of the Ferrari F80 feels like you've stepped inside a spaceship. It's a driver-focused environment with every control, designed for maximum performance and engagement. The steering wheel carries Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing drivers to instantly switch between drive modes, from hybrid mode for efficiency to insane track settings that unleash the car's full power. Ferrari has embraced a minimalist but luxurious approach. Inside the F80, the seats are ultra-light carbon fiber buckets, wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather, designed to hold you tight during high-speed but cornering while maintaining comfort for longer drives. The dashboard is a blend of digital innovation and traditional craftsmanship. A large curved OLED display spans the instrument cluster, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and even hybrid energy flow visualization. Everything is built with precision, carbon fiber panels, aluminum trim, and hand-stitched details that remind you this is still a Ferrari built with passion. The interior lighting adapts to drive modes, glowing red in race mode and calming blue in hybrid mode. Even the sound insulation has been tuned to allow just the right amount of engine noise into the cabin, so you can still enjoy that raw Ferrari soundtrack while maintaining luxury comfort. Now, let's talk about what really makes the F80 a beast. The performance. Under the sleek carbon fiber shell lies Ferrari's most advanced hybrid system yet. The F80 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine paired with two electric motors, producing a combined output of around 1,050 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. Over 1,000 horsepower. This setup sends power through a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission to all four wheels, delivering mind-bending acceleration. Ferrari claims the F80 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever made. The top speed? A breathtaking 236 miles per hour or 380 kilometers per hour. The hybrid system isn't just about power, it also improves efficiency and responsiveness. The electric motors fill in the power gaps during gear shifts, ensuring seamless torque delivery and immediate acceleration. The chassis and suspension are fully adaptive, capable of adjusting to road conditions in milliseconds. Ferrari's latest side-slip control system ensures maximum grip and stability, even during aggressive cornering. The carbon ceramic brakes are massive, giving incredible stopping power while staying fade-resistant, even after multiple high-speed runs. Driving the F80 isn't just about speed, it's about precision and emotion. Every input, every sound, every vibration feels perfectly engineered to make you feel connected to the car. It's a symphony of technology and passion that only Ferrari can deliver. Now let's touch on the pricing. As expected, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is not going to be cheap. The estimated starting price is around $3 million, and that's before customization or limited edition options. Ferrari plans to build the F80 in extremely limited numbers, making it an instant collector's dream. With its hybrid technology, next-level aerodynamics, and performance figures that rival hypercars, it's safe to say that the F80 is worth every penny for those lucky enough to own one. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just another supercar. It's the future of Ferrari performance. It combines beauty, speed, innovation, and sustainability into one breathtaking machine. From the aggressive exterior design to the luxurious, high-tech interior, and from the monstrous powertrain to the refined handling, the F80 is Ferrari's ultimate statement of engineering excellence. So that's the detailed look at the 2026 Ferrari F80, a car that redefines what's possible on four wheels. Let me know what you think about this insane new Ferrari in the comments below. Would you take the F80 over the LaFerrari or SF90? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AK Cars Reviews for more detailed car reviews and automotive updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.